Good morning, children. We'll be continuing this chapter, that is equivalent fraction. Fraction having the same value are called as an equivalent fraction. Means in the fraction you will be having a same value, that is represent as an fraction. Let we take one example and I will show you how to do the equivalent fraction. Let we give an example of 3 by 7. This 3 by 7 we should multiply with 1 ones are, 2 ones are, 3 ones are, 4 ones are, 5 ones are. Okay. Then what you have to do? 3 ones are 3, 7 ones are 7, 3 twos are 6, 7 twos are 14, 3 threes are 9, 7 threes are 21, 3 fours are 12, 7 fours are 28, 3 fives are 15, 7 fives are 15. Okay, now how you will find out that equivalent fraction are they equivalent? What you have to do it? So 3 is 7 are in the simplest form, so that is nothing proper, so it is okay. Next we move to 6 and 14. 6 and 14, which table it goes? 6 and 14 in only one table, the 6 and 14 should move, means it should go. So which table you will be taking? 2 ones are. So what is the simplest form of 2? The 2 3s are 2 7s are. So we got 3 by 7 once again. Here 3 2 3s are 2 7s are. Similarly 9 by 21, we got that answer, no? 9 and 21, which table it goes? In 3 ones are. We got 3 by 7 once again. 3 3s are, 3 7s are. Okay. Once again 12 by 28, it also go in the 4 ones are. So it also go with a 7. So for 3 by 7 will be getting 15 and 35. It will go with a 3 and 7. So all are is in the equivalent fractions. So what we are written 3 by 7, 3 by 7, 3 by 7. It is repeated. When you cancel it, you will be getting back this 3 by 7 itself. This is called as an equivalent fraction. This is finding the equivalent fraction. Okay. They should be equally. Okay. Next we give an example for 6 by 10. So we should multiply. We should put 6 by 10. 6 into 1, 10 into 1. Next 6 into 2, 10 into 2. 6 into 3, 10 into 3. 6 into 4, 10 into 4. 6 into 5, 10 into 5. Then we should take it down and multiply it. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 14. 10 twos are 20. 6 threes are 18. 10 threes are 30. 6 fours are 24. 10 fours are 40. 6 fives are 30. 10 fives are 50. I'm written here. Okay. 6 and 10 is already in the simplest form. We need not to be cancelled. And next we go. Here we go. 6 twos are 12. And 10 twos are 20. So here 12 by 20, it is 6, 12 and 20, which table it goes? With 12 and 20, which table it goes? We have to find out. In 2 ones are, 2 6 are, 2 10s are. Next we move to 18 by 30. So we should get 6 by 10. So which table will be have to get 6 by 10? 3 ones are, 3 6 are, 3 10s are. 24. So 6 4 6 are and 4 10s are. Next 5 6 are, 5 10s are. So we'll be remaining will be getting the back answer of 6 by 10 itself. This is a this is a way to find out the equivalent fraction. Let we have I'll giving one more example, means to find out whether it is equivalent or not. This fraction are equivalent. Are these equivalent fractions or not? Whether we have to find out. Now take 3 by 8 and 9 by 24. Okay, 3 by 8 and 9 by 24. Here, first we have to write solution, then we write 3 by 8 and 9 by 24. See here, remove this and write it down. 3 by 8, remove and put a comma, 9 by 24. Which table is 9 and 24? It is 3 already in the simplest form. We can't further divide it. So we have to take 9 and 24. Okay. This 9 and 24 will go in which table? We have to find out. In 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 3 eights are. See here, whatever you cancel it from up and down, that to this side only. Up and down, we are taking only one table. Okay, we are taking only the 3 ones are. 3 threes are, 3 eights are. So 3 by 8. 3 by 8. So 3 by, here also we got 3 by 8. Here also we got 3 by 8. So they are equivalent fraction. They are equivalent fraction. Okay. See, students, you have to find out whether it is a fraction or not. That too, you have to use only one table. That too, I am used here. Okay. This side. That is only up and down. That too, only one table I used. Here we will be going to the next problem. 5 by 6 and 9 by 24. 5 by 6 and 9 by 24. Okay. 5 by 6 and 9 by 24 we'll write as it is. Okay. Then 5 by 6 we replacing the and as in comma. 9 by 24. Which tables is 9 and 24? Once again with the 3 ones are 3. 3s are 3 8s are. We got 5 by 6, 3 by 8. So this is different. This is different. Okay. So they are not equal in fraction. We'll be writing they are not equivalent fraction. Okay. Now we'll move to the next main, that is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. 2 by 3 is equal to 12 by dash. We don't know what's the number, we should find it out. We have to find that number. What is that? How to do it? Let we move it. Okay. 2 by 3 is equal to 12 by dash. We'll write as it is the sum. 2 by 3 equals, here students will write 2 by 3. We'll put into. 2 how much are? 2 how much are 12? 2 6 are 12. So similarly you should write down also. Okay. 2 how much are 12? 2 6 are 12. We are writing the 6 as it is down itself. So 2 6 are 12. 3 6 are 18. So we'll be writing as 12 by 18. They are equivalent or not? Let we find out. Okay. 12 and 18, which table it goes? You have to take only one table. Which table? That is 6 2s are 6 3s are. So they are equal. So we are what we got, 18 isn't correct. Clear? Next, we'll move to the next sum. Here, dash by 7, that is equal to 3 by 21. We write the question as it is. Dash by 7 equals, we don't know, but here they given us. But let we guess is what will be there. Okay. 3 into 1 will be writing. Here we got 21. Here we got it 21. 7 how much are 21? 7 3s are. Let we rearrange first. Okay. 1 by 7 into 3 into 3. Here we write as 3 how much, 7 how much are 21? We'll writing as 7 into 3. We will be getting as an 21. Here already 3 is there. So how much we have to write here? 1. So we'll be representing as here 1. Here we representing as in 1. Okay, not 3. Before what I wrote, that is correct. It is here 1. So 1 into 3 will be getting 3. 7 into 3 will be getting as 21. So 3 and 21, which table it goes? In 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 sevens are. So what we got, this answer is correct. That is 1 is correct. Clear? Next we move to a what is this? There is given 1 by 4 of 20. 1 by 4 of 20. We'll be writing as it is. For half, we replace into. We'll replace into. So, 1 by 4 into 20. See here, 1 by 4, it is already in the simplest form. We can't cancel it. And we have to go with the cross. For cancellation, we have to do with the cross. Okay. So, 4 and 20. So, 4 and 20 in which table it goes? In 4 ones are. 4 ones are. 4 fives are. So 1 into 5 will be getting as an 5 will be your answer. 1 by next problem 1 by 8 of 32. We'll be writing 1 by 8 of 32. 1 by 8 into 32. So which table it goes? Okay. 8 ones are 8 fours are. So 1 into 4 will be getting as an 4 is an answer. Next we'll go to the next problem. Similarly, but in the different way, little more different way. Okay, if 1 dozen is equal to 12, then find out 1 by 2 of a dozen. 1 by 2 of a dozen. If 1 dozen is equal to 12, then find out 1 by half a dozen. 1 by 2 into 12. 1 by 2 into 12. So 1 by 2 is already in simplest form. So we'll be writing a dozen is replaced as here 12 students. Here dozen is replaced as in 12. So 2 and 12 in which table it goes? In 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 6 are 1 into 6 will be representing 6 will be your answer. Next 2 by 3 of a dozen. 2 by 3 of a dozen. Dozen means how much? Your 12. So we'll write 2 by 3 into 12. 2 and 3 is in what form? Simplest form. Okay. Then we'll be writing as 12. So we can't cancel it 2 and 3. So it is in already in the simplest form. Then we have to move to in the cross way. That is 3 and 12. 3 and 12, which table it goes? Yes, 3 ones are. 3 ones are, 3 fours are. What you have here? 2. Here upper part into 4. Here what sign you have here? Put here into. What you have here 4? That you should replace here. Then down what you have 1. So don't require 1. If you write, if you're not writing, it is as it is. 2 fours how much? 8. That will be your answer. Next we go to the next problem. If 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, then find out 1 by 3 of an hour. Okay. 1 hour of a is equal to 60 minutes, then find out 1 by 3 of an hour. Means of an hour. Okay. 1 by 3 into hour is equal to 60 minutes. That is 1 by 3 is already in simplest form. Then we cancel in the crossways. 3 how much are 60? 3 ones are, 3 20s are 60. So 1 is there. We'll write it. What sign you have? That you should replace it. Then 20 will be writing. So 1 into 20 is equal to 20 will be your answer. This is about your finding out the values. What is an equivalent fractions? And write down the equivalent fraction, whether the fractions are equivalent or not, fill in the blanks and checking out what is this. Till now we did it. Any doubts you can ask us and we'll be clearing.